Over 400 million people use ChatGPT every single week. But most of them are using less than 10% of what it can actually do. In this video, I am going to change that. I will cover what ChatGPT is, how it is different from OpenAI, every feature you should be using, how to set it up on any device, real-life use cases that will save you hours every week, the honest truth about free versus paid plans, power tips most users never discover, and the precautions you need to take. This is the only ChatGPT guide you will ever need. Let me clear this up first because it confuses a lot of people. OpenAI is the company founded in 2015 by Sam Altman and others. It is the organization that builds and researches AI. ChatGPT is their product, the chat interface you use at chat.com. GPT-5 is the underlying AI model that powers ChatGPT. Think of it like this: OpenAI is Apple, ChatGPT is the iPhone, and GPT-5 is the chip inside it. You interact with ChatGPT. You do not interact with OpenAI directly unless you are a developer using their API. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that can understand and generate text, images, code, and speech. It was launched in November 2022 and became the fastest growing product in history, reaching 100 million users in just 2 months. As of 2026, it has over 400 million weekly active users. It works by predicting the most useful and accurate response to whatever you ask, drawing on training data from an enormous portion of the internet and human feedback. The current model powering it is GPT-5 in various versions: Instant for speed, Thinking for deep reasoning, and Pro for maximum capability. Here is the full list of what ChatGPT can do right now. Write emails, reports, essays, and scripts. Summarize PDFs, documents, and entire websites. Write, debug, and explain code in over 30 programming languages. Generate images from text using DALL-E 3, which is built in. Search the web in real time and give you cited answers. Analyze data from spreadsheets and CSV files. Transcribe and summarize audio and video files. Translate across 50+ languages instantly. Have a full voice conversation with it like talking to a person. Use agent mode to automate multi-step tasks automatically. Memory that remembers your name, job, preferences, and style across every conversation. And custom GPTs, you can build your own specialized AI assistant for any task. Pause here and save this list. Getting started is straightforward. Go to chat.com on any browser. Click Sign Up and use your Google account, Microsoft account, or any email. It is available on iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and web browser. The free plan works immediately, no payment needed, no credit card. To use it on your phone, search ChatGPT in the App Store or Google Play Store and install the official OpenAI app. Let me break down every plan honestly so you know exactly what to get. Free gives you GPT-4o Mini, web search, file uploads, and 2 AI images per day. Genuinely useful for casual tasks. Go is around $4.50 a month and gives 10 times more messages plus longer memory. Best for students and regular users. Plus is $20 a month. This is the one most serious users need. Full GPT-5 access, deep research which saves hours of research time, unlimited image generation, and agent mode. Pro is $200 a month. This is for researchers, developers, and power users who need the absolute maximum. Team is $30 per user per month for organizations. Enterprise is custom pricing for large companies with compliance requirements. My honest recommendation: start free and upgrade to Plus when you hit the limits 3 times in a week. You will know when. Here are the power tips most users never find. First, custom instructions. Go to Settings and set your name, job title, and preferred response style once. ChatGPT applies it to every single conversation automatically. Second, projects. Organize your conversations by topic and ChatGPT remembers the full context of each project. Third, Canvas. A collaborative document and code editor built directly into ChatGPT. Write and edit together with the AI. Fourth, Prism. A free AI native research workspace for long documents and writing projects. Fifth, connect Google Drive and Microsoft Outlook. ChatGPT can draft your emails, create spreadsheets, and schedule meetings directly. Sixth, voice mode. Speak to ChatGPT hands-free. Perfect for commuting or when you cannot type. Seventh, build a custom GPT. Create your own AI assistant trained on your specific workflow, knowledge, or writing style. Precautions, and these are genuinely important. ChatGPT can hallucinate, it sometimes states false information with complete confidence. Always verify any important fact from an original source before using it. Never share passwords, bank details, or confidential work information in your chats. On the free plan, your conversations may be used to improve the model. To opt out, go to Settings, then Data Controls, and turn off Improve the Model for everyone. Do not make medical, legal, or financial decisions based solely on what ChatGPT tells you. Always consult a qualified professional for those. For breaking news and current events, always use web search mode, its training data has a cutoff date. And be aware that outputs can reflect biases from training data. Cross-check sensitive or controversial topics with multiple sources. Here are the real-life use cases by profession. Students use it to summarize lecture notes, get concepts explained simply, and prepare for exams. Writers use it to draft, edit, rewrite, and proofread any document in minutes. Developers use it to write functions, debug errors, review code, and generate test cases. Marketers use it to write ad copy, social media posts, email campaigns, and SEO content. Managers use it to summarize meeting notes, write reports, and draft presentations. Job seekers use it to tailor CVs, write cover letters, and prepare for interviews. Entrepreneurs use it to research markets, validate business ideas, and draft business plans. Whoever you are, there is a direct use case here for you. You now know more about ChatGPT than the vast majority of its 400 million users. Start with the free plan today at chat.com, try custom instructions, explore projects, and see how much time it saves you this week. All links and tips are in the description below. If you found this helpful, subscribe. I cover AI tools that genuinely change how you work. See you in the next one.